Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And sorry for the noise in the background. Terry's actually working on this 2019 Grand Design Reflection. And the decals had faded really bad and got sun damage. The owner had actually started on removing some of them. And as you can see how bad they're just colored up there and faded and cracked. Terry's having to use a combination of a rubber reel to remove them. Different styles. He has a different one on top of this ladder, and then he's got a solid core one there, as well as scrapers and different cleaners to help remove that decal glue and finish. And then what he's going to be doing later, and I'll try to capture this as he's going around, is he's going to be painting these decals back on. And so Terry, you're going to be painting all those decals back on, correct?
Yes, yeah. Usually if they're not this dried up and cracked, like you peel them off, but
so you were saying earlier before I started videotaping that this one was so burnt into the skin that you're probably going to have to sand the cap down, primer it.
Some of this has to be actually sanded.
And so you got to sand the cap down, primer it, then go back and then sand it and then paint it again, correct?
Paint the decals on there.
Yeah. So, well, he goes. This I guess goes to say, you know, I'm always talking online to the consumers saying, hey, use different conditioners. You know, whether you're waxing the coaches or you're using like 303. Put some kind of UV protection on your decals, correct, Terry? And I know Terry's not a big fan of using the, the ceramic coats?
No.
Yeah, so, you know, try to watch your ceramic coats. There's different variances out there. Think of it as like shampoo, right, or conditioner.
Use a good wax.
You know.
Good wax. Yeah.
And so if you haven't met Terry before, this is Terry. He's been doing this forever. And as you can see, he's up on a makeshift scaffolding that he's got that's set up between a couple of ladders. So, and you know, we're not worried about him falling or anything like that. He's like a monkey anyway. So, but he's been doing this for so many years. It's like second nature to him.
If anybody falls, they're fired before they hit the ground.
Yeah, that's right. You get fired before you hit the ground, right? Or if you don't bounce back up and jump right back to work, then we fire you, right? Don't let his wife see this video. She'll be like, hey, I put life insurance on him. Have him fall, okay? So anyways, well, you guys stay in touch. This is Dustin and Terry, RV specialist, and we're working on like I said, it's a 2019. It was produced in 10 of 2018, and it's a reflection. It's a 150 series. I can't catch the model number because over here next door, Oso is actually in the process of replacing a Schwintek slide out on that. I believe is that a Solitude over there, or is that a Momentum? I can't. Solitude. Yeah. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoy these videos, and I'll try to get some more information inside there. If you haven't checked out some of our articles and other videos, Terry's done this many times where consumers will come in and maybe the decals aren't available on a front cap, or they've had tree impact damage, or dropped it on their pickup or something like that and had to repair them. So he does pretty much all the paint and body work here for us. And you know, that's more attention to detail. So, all right, well, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll stay tuned for more.